Hi guys, I'm back and I'm in Karnataka, Jamvanti in West Hill Hotel. Means it's a place to stay. So when I enter, like garden type, it's very cool to remove shoes and everything and stand here. This is the swing, this is the slide, this is the seesaw, and this is so. This is the hotel where I ate just now. I have come in the morning only, but I had no time to shoot the video because I have come with my brothers here. So when I go more ahead, there are houses here. From here, if we go like this, we can see three washrooms, and after that a swimming pool. I went to swim also inside this. Look there, my clothes and my goggles. I had lots of fun. We were playing football here with this two benches because we had nothing to play. Keep like goal. This is our ball. That is also our ball. These are the stumps to play cricket. This is the carom coins. This is the carom board. This is the archery board. There is a bow and arrow. So please once try this restaurant hotel to stay here. I have come to my village in Belgaum from 8 days. That video I shot that one like greenery full. That was also when I was entering Belgaum, and then I realized the temperature here is 73 and the temperature in Mumbai where I stay originally is 97. Look at the difference. It's very cool here. I'll advise you to try this hotel once if you come to Karnataka. And here, sitting benches, and look at this scenery. I feel it's the best scenery ever I have seen. Not more than Oli Uttarakhand, but this is my second best view from here. It's like heaven. Literally, I can't describe Oli and this place. Uttarakhand. Oli Uttarakhand. That also takes you once. Try that place also. And the best part is that look from here, we can see a zipline rope. So it goes till that place, and again we have to till this place. So think guys how fun it will be if you come here. Your place where you can sit, enjoy and do barbecue there. And guys, I forgot to show you that there is a table tennis table also here. I played at that also, but I lost by 2 points. So that's the sad thing. Here is a cock, and I'm going there, and I'll make sure that my brothers also will meet you. So that from here it is the darts area. This is the sitting area. Here also we can sit. This is the reception. This is also sitting area. Here ice hockey. Here it's a small pond for fishes. This is a trampoline. Here bat racket. We played cricket, badminton and all the things. There are, and I wanted to show you the river, right? So I'm going there only to show you the river. Then I'll show you my brothers. I have 3 brothers now. I have totally 21, more than 20 brothers. But for now, I have only 2 brothers. Look, zip line again. So here when we go ahead, I'm alone. Here in this place, I am fully alone. Nobody is there. This is the Vestal River Reet. So this is the river of it. Please try this I will give you advice that try this place. It's like heaven. These are the tent areas. Here are the tents. Some people live here. Means take booking here because there are the parts are full. Now when we go from here, at the end there will be this to enter the zip line, but there is one more place there. They'll give you guns to shoot, and it's so fun. Real guns, huh? And we have to aim on the on the target, and then it's amazing. I can't hold the gun only. It was so heavy. There is small basketball court also there. There. So guys, so I had told you that I'll make sure that I'll show you my brothers. So wait, I'll call them. So I called my brothers. They are playing. So it's my sister. Her name is Anvita. Wait, I'll go. So we are going at 7 p.m. today. Now what's the time? It's it's 3 p.m. So I'm going at 7 p.m. Now I'll go on the zipline rope. So that video I'll post on the YouTube in the comment section. I'll make a link and send it on the comment section. So I'm calling my brother. This is the longest ropeway in Karnataka. Second longest ropeway in Karnataka. So I'm entering here. Ow. I am without shoes. Stones are there, but it's okay. Ouch. So look, here zip line till there and back here. So it will be so enjoying, so beautiful when I'll do this. I'm telling you that please come at this place and enjoy the weather here. And come at Belgaum also and Mumbai. Don't come to Mumbai till next in rainy season you come in Mumbai, but not now. It's very hot here, very 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 hot there in Mumbai. Please go there in monsoons. You'll die due to the weather. Now again I'll call my brothers. If they say no, I have showed you my sister, so it's okay. I'll show you them in the next year. So they are not coming, so I'll show them in the next video. So bye.